Are you a non-immigrant who wants to buy a house or property in the United States, but is unsure if you can? Well, we're here to answer your question. We'll also discuss other related issues you may have, such as whether purchasing property in the U.S. automatically grants you a green card or citizenship. Some U.S. non-immigrants may have aspired for a better future in the United States by securing a place where they can start this chapter of their new life. Luckily, the laws in the United States do not prohibit a foreign citizen or non-immigrant from purchasing property. So, what type of property can you buy? In reality, many foreign nationals own vacation homes in the country. You can purchase condo apartments, townhouses, single-family homes, etc. However, holding a housing cooperative may be prohibited due to some restrictions like prohibiting foreign ownership. Most of the time, they would perceive that as a foreign owner, there is no certainty that you would reside there permanently. Additionally, it's possible for you to just rent it out to other people, which would increase the transients in the building, and this sometimes causes issues with housing cooperatives. Another thing for you to consider is how difficult is it to purchase property? The United States is more lenient in foreign investments than immigration. That means the U.S. is more welcoming to foreign nationals to invest in the United States, such as by buying property. In some cases, purchasing a property in the United States with cash is not difficult and it takes only a few months. But it would be more challenging if you plan to apply for a loan or a mortgage to purchase the property. Most banks will ask you, as a foreign national or non-immigrant, to establish your ability to fulfill your obligations to them by presenting requirements such as a green card together with social security number, temporary residence status together with work permit and valid social security number, proof of address and residency, proof of income, and proof of affordability. Remember, if you visit the United States on a tourist visa, you'll likely have problems obtaining a loan. Banks expect you to stay in the country for a specified time to fulfill your responsibilities. However, this can be subjective, and some banks may still provide you with a loan. Yes, some banks non-immigrants loans if they are their regular customers or have good financial conditions. Nevertheless, it depends on the bank. In addition, if you plan to buy a property but do not intend to move to the United States, the foreign national loan may be the only accessible loan to you. However, the disadvantages of this loan are that it demands a sizable down payment, has high interest rates, and requires you to obtain an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN. To summarize, citizenship is not a barrier to obtaining property in the United States, but if you're planning to seek a loan for the purchase of your residency status, then your residence status will come into play. Hence, your ability to get a mortgage as a non-U.S. citizen may depend on your residency status or circumstances. You may be wondering, does purchasing a property affect my non-immigrant visa? In some cases, purchasing property may raise suspicion about your non-immigrant intent. From the very start, obtaining a non-immigrant visa is based on why you want to travel to the United States. Say you entered the United States on a tourist visa for tourism. However, while you were here, you purchased a property for a house. That might create suspicion since USCIS may believe you have motives other than tourism. On the other hand, meaning that you may not be returning to your country. On the other hand, that situation can be advantageous for a green card holder seeking U.S. citizenship. Green card holders can argue in their petition that they intend to become bona fide U.S. citizens since they have invested in long-term assets such as real estate. Now let's answer the question, can I purchase property if I'm an illegal or undocumented immigrant? As previously mentioned, yes, you can. No legislation prevents you from doing so. In fact, some undocumented immigrants own a home or real estate and pay property taxes. However, such decisions do come with a price. Consider the following scenario. You are currently facing a property dispute and a possibility this would go to trial or court proceedings. This would mean that some personal information would need to be disclosed, such as your legal status in the United States or illegal status, which could result in unfortunate circumstances such as deportation or being barred from re-entering the country if you leave. That is why, before going through such decisions, it's suggested to seek legal assistance from an experienced immigration attorney like me to know your options and to be able to explain the legal repercussions of buying property or not. On to our last question. Would purchasing a home or property in the United States provide me with a green card or any other type of visa? In general, the answer is no. However, in rare situations, USCIS may grant a non-immigrant an E2 investor visa or an EB5 visa provided the investments meet the standards specified by those specific immigration rules. It's crucial to understand that purchasing a real estate in the United States does not automatically qualify you for an E2 or EB5 visa or any other type of visa for that matter. It depends on how you structured the investment and if it shows that it would create more jobs for U.S. workers. So bottom line is that having a house or property does not provide you with any immigration benefit. like acquiring a green card, unless your circumstances qualify you for a specific type of visa. If you want to learn more about the E2 or EB5 investor visa or other visas, don't hesitate to contact us at andresmejerlaw. We've worked with various immigration cases just like these and have successfully helped our clients reach their goals. And folks, that's all for today. Remember, if you're facing immigration concerns such as possible deportation or are confused about what to do next, please don't hesitate to contact us to provide you with competent legal aid and assist you through the process. Until next time, stay healthy and be safe. Hey, did you like the video? I invite you to watch another video where I share more tips on how to protect your reputation as an immigrant. Until next time.